Hello everyone, and a special thank you to Fernando in normally Belle Isle, Florida, but he's away at work, so these are going to be shipped to Donna, Texas. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is See More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm have you seeing more better and looking more better and show everyone else how to bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Fernando's Oakley 9448. This is the Sylas. It comes in the 57 eye size only. It comes in 9 colors. This one sells for $142. And again, normally I would be shipping to Fernando in Belle Isle, Florida, but he is away at work, so we're going to ship to his girlfriend's house in Donna, Texas. He got the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Grey with the Sapphire Blue Flash Mirror. And if all goes well, it's going to match that blue Oakley emblem on the side. Now, these are the original lenses that came with it. We'll see how close that these can come to that. You're going to get all the manufacturer's original packaging from Oakley, including all the junk mail that they put inside the box. You're going to get the Oakley cleaning cloth, which doubles as a carrying bag. And, of course, the original demo lenses. You're going to get all the packaging from Zeiss. These are the packets your lenses came in. Single Vision, Photofusion, Polycarbonate. EXG is the Extra Gray. The DuraVision Mirror Flash Sapphire. I've highlighted the prescription for the right eye. For the left eye, you're going to get the Zeiss cleaning cloth. And, of course, my premium microfiber cleaning cloth that has all my social media on there. You're also going to get a selfie request. Fernando, I'd love to have 2 pictures. One with you inside and then one with you outside showing the lenses turning blue. And of course, you'll get instructions not only on how to care for your frame and lenses, but for your cleaning cloth. All 3 cleaning cloths, so they'll last you for years as well. So this is what they look like before I put them in. Now, if you notice, it looks like there's a blue anti-glare coating on steroids while you're inside. On the back of the lens, it looks the same way until they are activated, meaning I'm exposing them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. And you'll see the Zeiss DuraVision Sun back surface anti-glare coating, which has a greenish hue to it. So when you purchase the flash mirrors, there's no need to purchase any additional anti-glare coatings because it comes with it. Now the Photofusion Extra Gray adds 129. The flash mirror is $69. So essentially it's $198 on top of the frame price of $142. And all purchases are tax-free with free shipping anywhere in the U.S. Your home, your girlfriend's home, your work, you know, wherever you're vacationing at, I'll ship them there too. So this is what they look like clear. Let me go ahead and expose them to a strong burst of ultraviolet light. Now, as you can see, it takes about 30 to 45 seconds for the lenses to darken. A little bit longer when you come back inside, 45 seconds to a minute 15. Now, this is important, Fernando and everyone else. Pay attention. All photochromic lenses get dark on day 1 and continue to darken every day for the first couple weeks they're exposed to the sun. After that, they will work for years at maximum performance. The only time that most photochromic lenses don't turn dark is if you're behind the windshield of a car. Your windshield absorbs the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays that would cause your dashboard to crack from sitting in the sun all day, and that's why they don't turn dark in a car. Now, having said that, these Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray will get 30 to 50% dark behind a windshield. Let's see how that looks. That's pretty good if you ask me. That's pretty good. Now, the other thing is that all photochromic lenses are temperature sensitive, meaning they will get darker when it's 85 and below than they will when it's 95 and above. But I remind everyone, when it's 100 degrees outside, you're miserable, they're miserable, nobody works 100%. When it's 100 degrees, we all work much better when it cools off. Now, when Fernando looks out, he's going to see the extra dark gray. When people look at him, they're going to see that blue mirror, the Sapphire Blue Flash Mirror. Now, as I mentioned, they are temperature sensitive, but these are the photochromic Extra Gray lenses from Zeiss that will get darker in hotter weather. The other nice thing about the photochromic lenses, as I mentioned, they'll get 30-50% dark behind a windshield, including the mirror coating, but also photochromic lenses were the original blue blocking lenses that you hear so much talked about now. By the way, can you see that greenish hue of the DuraVision Sun anti-glare coating? Jigsaw, my web developer, said he had a hard time seeing it in one video, but I don't know if it's the camera or the lighting, but I can clearly pick up the green hues. But as I was saying about the blue light protection, the Zeiss Photofusion Extra Gray will block 50 to 70% of the harmful blue light you hear emitted from today's electronic devices such as cell phones, tablets, computer screens, and of course the number one source of blue light on the planet, the sun. Look at that blue Oakley emblem on the side. Look at those blue lenses. But the regular Zeiss Photofusion gray, brown, green, and blue will block 30 to 50% of harmful blue light. So if you don't want to put the Zeiss Blue Protect Anti-Glare, if you get any of the photochromic lenses, you can get the DuraVision Platinum or Flash Mirror or Silver or Chrome, and knowing that you're still getting blue light protection built into the lens. Now all the lenses are, my go-to lens material is polycarbonate. It's 40% thinner and lighter than regular plastic. It's virtually unbreakable. It's impact resistant and has 100% UVA and UV protection built into it. So again, Fernando, thank you for your patience. I did get back from vacation. I was on vacation last week, so I couldn't ship. So that's why I'm shipping to his girlfriend's house while he's away at work. But thank you for the purchase of the Oakley 9448 Sylas. By the way, Fernando, you can also leave a product review now on the website for this frame and the lenses. If you have any questions, go to the Contact Me page of the website. If you want to talk to a live person, call Jigsaw, my website developer slash... He's a professional website developer slash optical apprentice, and he can answer most questions for you in just about any language. But you can call him at 919-491-2411. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below, and we'll answer those. But again, Fernando in Belle Isle, Florida, thank you so much. By the way, for your repeat purchase, he just got a pair of safety glasses, Oakley safety glasses from me, maybe about a month ago, and he's come back for his everyday pair. So again, thank you for the purchase of the Oakley Sylas with your Zeiss Photofusion Extra Grey lenses and the Sapphire Blue Flash Mirror. And now hopefully everyone has gotten a chance to see, say it with me, how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.